I stopped in to test out the new Taurus Stormtrooper. They call it the Spectrum, but I call it a Stormtrooper here at Ann Arbor Arms. And Riders Range wants to see how this little gun works. And as we walked in, who was looking through the consignment case but a Stormtrooper? I am absolutely amazed. He was on his way between intergalactic battles, had a day off, came in here with his little pocket blaster. We set that down in the range because I'm not sure we want to shoot that in here, but I asked him if he'd want to try out the Taurus Stormtrooper and compare that to his pocket blaster. And here we are. The Stormtrooper is going to shoot the Taurus Stormtrooper on Riders Range here at Ann Arbor Arms. All right, I don't speak Stormtrooper, so but he does understand English, so we're just going to get nods out of this thing, and we're here on the TAC Bay at Ann Arbor Arms, and we're going to try it out. So, I'm not going to ask you to shoot your mini blaster here because I'm guessing that could destroy our backstrap. So we're going to see how the little one works. You know how to work one of these? All right, we'll show you. So, right now it's unloaded, and there's a magazine. Magazine goes in the bottom. Push it all the way up, then you just pull back on this and let go. And from there on, it's going to work like yours, I hope. All right, good luck with it. Well, it's a little different than the mini blaster. Is the trigger a whole lot different on that? Is that something you'd be able to comfortably carry and shoot? Really? Huh. And I don't know, does the mini blaster recoil at all? Yeah, a little bit. How's this compared to the mini blaster? So, a good manageable gun. Now, how about the sights on that? I notice you really don't have sights on the mini blaster. How about the sights on this? Any good? Yeah, okay. Well, actually, that looks like you know what you're doing with a gun. Fantastic. All right. Yeah. How often do you really get to meet a Stormtrooper and actually test out the new Taurus Stormtrooper? Fantastic. What are the odds of running into a Stormtrooper here at Ann Arbor Arms? Well, you know, Riders Range finds a way to make these things happen. If you like these videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. By all means, if you want to know what's coming up in the future, subscribe, click on the notifications bell, and again, thank you for visiting Riders Range. Wow, who'd have thought a real Stormtrooper coming to? Man, what luck.